Good morning, guys. So, two things I would like you to do today for language arts for your Wednesday work. They are both in the Writers Express folder in Schoology. So, it's in that black folder, and it's this one here and this one here. The first one, Writing Express Review, is just a quick 5-question quiz. This is just to review what you've learned so far about the sentence patterns. The second thing is the When Groups, page 29, and I'd like you to go here. It looks like this. It's asking for 3 sentences, okay, but one in each box here. Okay, so this first one, one group, main sentence trunk. In the next box, you need one group, main sentence trunk, one group, and don't just copy this, you got to make your own. And the last one, you just need main sentence trunk, one group, one group. In all of these, be sure to pay attention to punctuation and where you put the commas, okay? Just type right there in the box, okay? That's it for today for your LA work. Just the two things, the quiz, as I said, the little quiz, it's a very short quiz, hardly even counts as a quiz, and then when groups. Both of these are going to be graded, and both will count towards the third marking period. Hope you have a great day. See you later, guys. Bye.